दा का जिंग थमु जों का सरकार जिला बन पंडाप या की लाई हजार तली की कम की बलाद हपो कतनात पुलिन उ डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलिस उ डॉक्टर LR Pishnoi ula ong baula dep ban khot tender lupa ya ki company ki ban Pyniaid ha ka liang ka Jingpynrung kam ka ba Khot ka bu Suba da ka ba Pyniaid kam da ki kor ki bor la ai por arfwe sngi ka company ban pendep bat ha ka tayo ba ar jong ubnai rempang on sala ban pendep ya ka ne ka jing khot tender ula ong ba haba kili ha ka no ka rukom ba katnat kan yo jingmentoi na ka ne u DGP ula ong ba ka jingmang jong ka Meghalaya Police ka long khanyo hajar sanspa na ka banta lai hajar arspa tali ki kam ki balan balada ki ni ki lai hajar ngut ki badang shudep sha thung themai kin sarong hakatnat Meghalaya Police ka yeng ka sem jong ka Meghalaya Police ru kan sanang yar batnang khlan
by the government, by the state governments. We have already invited tenders for the company who will conduct the transparent recruitment by utilizing the up-to-date technology. We have given them 21 days time. After 21 days time, the bidders will be finalized, and once the tender is allocated to particular company, after that the advertisement will be done, and the applications will be invited and the recruitment procedure will start. So we will do it for 3,000, and it will be the largest recruitment in the Meghalaya Police so far.